I'm Amy, and today we're at the Flagler Inn in St. Augustine, Florida. Welcome in! So like I said, we are at the Flagler Inn in St. Augustine, Florida. We are in a standard double room, which means we have 2 queen-size beds. They were very comfortable, comes with 3 pillows each. This is the room. So when we came in, we actually arrived at night, and the first thing that we saw was this lighting on the wall. It was super cool. I like it, kind of modern vibes, and I like how they have the lines here and it portrays up to the ceiling as well. So let's take a little look further into the room. We have a phone, an alarm clock, and this nice little table. The room comes equipped with a lot of outlets, which is phenomenal if you're a tech person like me. And it even comes with this little guest book for tourists like myself. So let's keep moving to the bathroom / kitchen area. You walk through this beautiful archway, and here we have this nice big countertop, which was perfect for me to do my makeup. Love the mirror space, has really good lighting. And then this is where you have your ice bucket, your cups, tissues. It came with shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body wash, which obviously we didn't use, 2 soap bars, a shower cap, and makeup removal wipes. So that was a pretty cool thing. I used them and it worked really great. You also have your mini fridge, you have your microwave, and then tons of towels. We have lots of towels, so we really need room here for 2 nights. And a hairdryer. Hey, what's up everybody? Now we're in the bathroom, and in the bathroom we have the throne. Then we also have lots of hangers for your wet towels. There's actually 2 here, 2 behind the door, and 1 on the door. And we have this phenomenal large shower. The shower is about average width, but it's very long. Then we have lots of shelving here. And then the coolest part I really enjoyed was the shower head. It's kind of like a waterfall shower-ish. Had good pressure, good temperature. And here's the temperature thing. It was a little confusing at first, but you know, you got your pressure gauge, your temperature gauge, and it was cool. Really enjoyed that shower. Now we're gonna show you the lobby and the pool. This is the pool. Lots of room to lay out on, and we have an ice machine, and the fun part is there's a basketball hoop and an air hockey table. Love it. Nice and sunny in St. Augustine, Florida.